They asked for ideas to help fight the coronavirus, and what they got was 122 academic institutions from the U.S., Canada, and the United Kingdom pitching some game-changing ideas. The brightest brains in the world have been working nonstop, and University Hospital's Harrington Discovery Institute helps get those treatments out of the lab and to pharmaceutical companies so that they can be tested and then manufactured. But senior health correspondent Monica Robbins explains what's in the way of getting these treatments to the patients.
If you thought science was lagging, think again.
We had almost 300 really breakthrough therapies and clinical-ready medicines that really, can make a tremendous difference in this pandemic.
In 6 months, unprecedented hope.
I would tell you that we have 50 medicines that, in my view, can change the world.
Treatment for now and later.
This virus is mutating, it's changing, and we need to be ready for what's coming down the pike.
Some already FDA approved, others pending, and nearly all available to test in people.
A set of breakthrough medicines that we can ready for patients, and multiple new medicines that can go into clinical trials almost immediately.
Medicines similar to what Tamiflu does for influenza that could inhibit and kill the virus. Others that can help those on ventilators.
We have a drug that can avert and treat the lung and heart complications of the virus.
Imagine if
you're COVID positive, you get the medicine, and our hope is that you simply don't get sick. We have second-generation vaccines that we think are more powerful than the first generation. And we have very powerful antibodies across every type of mutation of this virus. And we even have great ideas like vaccines that can treat flu and COVID at the same time.
The holdup? Cash. They don't get federal funding. So they're reaching out with some star power, hoping the public will help them raise millions of dollars.
Top scientific minds around the world are working to develop breakthrough therapies. And we are proud to say that our hometown, Cleveland, is part of that effort.
We're focused on solving the problem and averting future pandemics.
You can learn more and donate on hdICOVIDfund.org. Monica Robbins, 3 News.